Okay, so finally I can record a video because Trump paused the the tariffs for 90 days and now the market is pumping. So yeah. Okay, here Euro USD. As we can remember from these past days, we had this relevant liquidity here from a high here. It was building this downtrend all the way down. Yesterday we had a break of structure here, induced buyers, I think, and now it could rebound here. Okay, so we had this, and this uptrend. The start of the day had this uptrend all the way up. Okay, so where do I begin? I was looking for a sell here as we had this break up again. Here we had relevant liquidity and M5 as we broke here the structure. It took the relevant liquidity. Then we took this relevant liquidity and I was expecting a reversal and an entry here. As on M1 I had no confirmation. I thought about entering here, but there's nothing to the left, so I am learning to wait for my confirmations, and I feel much better now that I wait for my confirmations to be done. Like I could enter here or here or here, but I wait for my confirmations, and as like because I respect them now. I am only trading strong trades because my confirmations, the 10 the 10-10 trade is like pretty good confirm for me. So I'm waiting for those now to gain confidence again, and well, and to have like a true strategy. Okay, so as you can see, sorry, here this was the morning. I was looking for a sell. I expected this relevant liquidity and M1 to be taken, and then maybe an entry here. Then I expected a relevant liquidity and M5 taken, and then an entry here, but never had those. And my target was here. Okay. Here, because it is so relevant, and I thought about like taking liquidity here on H1. As you can see on H1, on H1 we had this breakout structure here. Buyers are being induced. Then we took this liquidity here, and then we took it's like a confirmation on minor time frame by on H1. Relevant liquidity, and then we go down. Okay, so after that we had this uptrend here, which is the other one that I have drawn, and I was looking for a sell here, of course, uptrend here. Then on M1, as I said before, we had nothing to the left, so I was expecting to take this. Then we had this relevant liquidity on M5 taken, relevant liquidity here, relevant liquidity here. I looked for a buy here to take this high, but I wasn't sure, so I didn't enter, and I feel much better now. Because if I'm not sure, probably it's going to be stop loss, and as you can see, not a stop loss, but we didn't hit the target. And then it took this high here, which is not it is not relevant liquidity on 5 for me, but I took that high and we went down as I expected. My first target was here, and then well, you can go maybe all the way down here, but with this downtrend and the timing, my target was here. Okay, so I'm happy, no trades. I'm happy because I feel I feel tranquil. I feel confident. I only take the perfect trades, and now it's much better. Okay, I could enter somewhere else, but I don't know where to stop. I'm waiting for a like a breakup structure to know if it's going to be a sell or not. Like not trying to catch the reversal on the extreme all the time. And now on Nasdaq, I had a trade. Well, first of all, we took this liquidity to the left. Not really relevant, but a little bit. Okay. So we respected this high here. It never broke that high, and then I was expecting this. I was expecting this to be taken, but it never got taken. Okay, why? Because this was relevant liquidity on H1, and oh fuck. Okay, and well, I was expecting this to be taken, even though we had these equal highs, and now Trump said that tariffs are going to be paused for 90 days. It went up, and I don't know if we're going to come back here on a daily chart. Here is better. We could have some move down, but I don't. If he keeps this pause, I don't think we're going to go down anymore. And well, my trades, okay. So yes, I was looking for sells here. We had a downtrend, taking all this relevant liquidity here. We had relevant liquidity, relevant liquidity more or less, and relevant liquidity and relevant liquidity. So I could have looked for buys here, but it's 7:30, so it's not my timing. Then we took all the relevant liquidity to the left. I even thought about well, I was looking for a sell here, but I waited, as you can see. I don't have like price action didn't arrive here, which was my relevant liquidity, so I had to wait. Here we had like relevant liquidity in M1. I thought about buying, but it was not really confirmed. And then we took the high, so here I look for a sell. Okay, as you can see, this was relevant liquidity, the low that broke this, and then it went down. SMT, more or less, yeah, it's kind of SMT here, and then we took the relevant liquidity, and with this engulfing candle, which I'm happy because I'm waiting for these engulfing candles to enter. I entered here. My first target was here, as it was the relevant liquidity on M5, as you can see here. Maybe it is low, but well, I prefer this one and break even. Then we went higher to take the relevant liquidity, which I expected that, but I had to. Obviously, my entry was already set, and here we had the relevant liquidity on each one, relevant liquidity, engulfing candle, and perfect entry 1 to 16. I was looking for my target to be here, as I said, but it should be here now, like partials and everything. I didn't enter because it wasn't my timing, but as you can see, the confirmation was perfect. And then we took all of these. Maybe the relevant liquidity was here. Okay, so no problem. Relevant liquidity. It took the relevant liquidity there, but never to the low side. So after all, we went up. I was still looking for some sells here, and well, as you can see, relevant liquidity on M1 was here. I could have looked for a buy here. Okay, but and I wanted to, but I had no confirmation at all. So yeah, nothing at all, and it went up with the news. And well, little partial. My account is like, well, I had like a $500 dollar profit today. So as you can see, from 98,200 more or less to 98,700, nearly 800. Okay, so yeah, pretty good. I feel confident because I'm doing what I should do, and that's all. Okay, and well, see you tomorrow.